another pack opening video. Today we have another Roaring Skies booster pack featuring Mega Latios or Latias, I'm not really sure which one. So without further ado, I'll get this open. I'm never really able to tell the difference between Mega Latios or Mega Latias. I don't know if you guys can comment or tell me in this below, but no one's watching yet, so no one's probably gonna be commenting. So I got the code card for you guys. Pew pew. And let's see what we got. Start off. We have a Pelipper, a Wally trainer, Dustox, a Binacle, Gligar, Shuppet, a Togepi, and Nincada, we got a Reverse Cascoon, is it common? And for the rare, we got an Unfezant Ancient Trait. You know, I'm not disappointed at all. These cards just look so cool. The artwork on them. Now, if this was hollow, probably the coolest card, but that's pretty cool looking. It's still the same. Alright guys, if you like this video, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Norman out.